Hey folks, radar's been pretty quiet across the valley tonight. That's still the case now. There's a couple of little showers streaming up into Kennedy County. Not much over the rest of the valley. It's a pretty quiet night. There's a little shower down in Mexico, but for the most part, it's been quiet, and I think for the most part, it'll stay quiet tonight. Future track reflects that maybe we get a couple of coastal showers around dawn, and then they kind of fade away. Then the sea breeze comes to life late morning by lunchtime or so and begins to move in. But notice, not nearly as much activity tomorrow as what we saw today, and certainly nothing like what we saw yesterday. I think there'll be spotty showers and an embedded thunder shower, but not as active, and we see the activity continuing to kind of wane over the next few days. There's less and less each day. So here are your rain chances tomorrow at about 30%, then tomorrow night 10, then back to 20 on Thursday, then it's dry, then 10% on Friday. So you can see how we're kind of stair-stepping down during the daytime over the next few days. Cloud cover-wise, we've seen a lot of that today. It's been mostly cloudy. There were some breaks, a little bit of sunshine shining through, but not much. Let's push back and look at the other side. And boy, look at that. We're not attached to that stuff at all. The rain here had nothing to do with Tropical Storm Cristobal, which is now just off the coast of Mexico near Playa del Carmen, and it's going to hang out down there for a while. Let's take a look at the enhanced infrared satellite, and this is taking the coldest tops of the clouds and making them bright red so you can really see them, because that tells you they're tall and there's a lot of lift in there, and you can see that there's an awful lot of that bright red in there. Everything kind of circulating around. And if we look at the Hurricane Hunter, they flew into that today, and that little blue tab on the right, that's what they caught a wind speed of 58 miles per hour, and that the red one, they had a pressure of 29.45, and the gray line is the path they flew when they went into that tonight. So you can see they're still in there, but officially the winds at the surface sustained at about 50 miles per hour. Now here's what this is going to do. There's tomorrow, same place. There's tomorrow night. There's Thursday, same place. There's Thursday night. There's Friday, same place. And finally Friday it starts to lift out and move to the north, and by Saturday it's in the middle of the Gulf, and by Saturday night forecasts take it into the northern Gulf, well to the east of the valley. We think it's going to stay off to the east of us. Most of the models say that. There's high to the east, high to the west, and it's going to kind of thread the needle between the two. You can see all the black lines that surround those highs, and there's one line over Florida, one line over Texas, and the lows caught between the two. And by the time you get to late Friday, we think that's going to start pushing northward, and eventually again kind of thread the needle going right up into here somewhere. If it's a little faster, it may curve a little bit to the left, but either way, it's going to stay well, we think, to the east and northeast of the valley. Right now, temperatures upper 70s in most of the valley, low 80s in other places. Tomorrow, we're back into the upper 80s and low 90s again with spotty showers and an isolated thunderstorm around. So for tonight, partly cloudy, some patchy fog, and again, I can't completely rule out a brief shower. Then tomorrow, back up to 89 degrees, partly sunny skies with scattered storms. Your chance of rain tomorrow stands at about 30%. Easterly winds tomorrow at 5 to 10 miles an hour. Here's a look at the next few days. And you look at Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, temperatures go up kind of gradually, but look at the end of the forecast period. By the time you get to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, look at that, 94, 98, 101. That's what happens when you take a tropical system in to the northeast of the valley. We're on the dry side, a downsloping warm wind coming down through Texas, and we end up hot and dry with temperatures going over 100 by the first of next week. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.